Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video and teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, today we're going to be doing this wacky ghost, as you can see. And why do I call them wacky? I don't know. I just thought of them being wacky looking. So what you can do from this lesson is actually create your own little ghost, maybe with his hands or his face in a different expression, but keeping the same pose, possibly, or use your imagination, as I say from time to time. Anyways, if you have your pencil and paper, I think we're ready to begin this wacky ghost. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.